Good morning, students. Today we are going to see math subject ascending and descending order. Do you know what is ascending order? Yes. When we write the numbers from smaller to greater, we call it as ascending order. And when we write numbers from greater to smaller, we call it as descending order. Some of the example, we can see one example here. We arrange the numbers 235, 230 and 238 in ascending and in descending order. First we can see the ascending order. Ascending order means small to greater number. So which number is the smallest number in this? Yes, 230. Okay, first we have to write 230. After that, which is the smallest number? Yes, 235. Then 238. This is called ascending order. Now we are going to see descending order. Which is the higher number? Yes, 238. Next 235. Next 230. This is called descending order. The simple greater to smaller is descending order, and smaller to greater number is ascending order. Next one we are going to say is ordering. Consider the number 2 and 7. By using these numbers, we shall form the greatest and smallest two-digit numbers. The two-digit numbers formed using 2 and 7 are 27, 72, 22, 77. 77 is the greatest and 22 is the smallest two-digit numbers. Now, the first one, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Now A, we have 4 numbers 55, 63, 40 and 8. Which is the smallest number? Yes, first we have to write the smallest number. In this, the smallest number is 8. So, first one you are going to write as 8. Next, which is the smallest number now? Yes, 40. The next smallest number is 55. And the last smallest number is 63. Likewise, B also, the smallest number. You can identify the smallest number by this. First you have to search it for hundreds place. 2, 2, 2, 2, all are equal. Now you can search it in tens place. 1, 0, 1, 1. Which is smaller, 0 or 1? Obviously 0. So the smallest number is 201. Now all the other numbers have the same tens, that is 1. Now ones place. 7, 5, 9. Which is the smallest number among this? Yes, 5 is the smallest number. So the next smallest number is 215. Then 7 and 9. Which is smaller? 7. So 217. The last one, 219. Have you understood this one? Yes. Now next one. 50, 405, 109, 600. Obviously, two-digit number is this smallest number, comparing these three-digit numbers. So we can write the two-digit number, that is 50 first. Then all the other are three-digit numbers. Now first we are going to see the hundreds place. Hundreds place 4, 400, 100, 600. Which is smaller? Obviously 100. So 109 is the next smallest number. And now 405 and 600. Obviously the smallest number is 405, that is 4, and 600 is the next, that is the biggest number. The next one is 785, 757, 718 and 781. Now all the hundreds are equal, that is 700. Now we move on to tens place. 8, 5, 1, 8. Which is the smallest one? Yes, 1. So we have to write 718 is the smallest number. Now next one, 8, 5, 8. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 5. So 757 is the second smallest number. Now we have two 8s, that is tens place, both are 8 only. Now we move on to, you have to look after the ones place. Now 5, 1. Which is the smallest number? Obviously 781, and the last one is 785. This is what we have to arrange the ascending order. Second one, arrange the following numbers in descending order. Descending order means higher number to, that is greater number to smaller number. Now which is the greater number in this one? 3-digit number is the greater one. In this 3-digit number, 2, 5, 3, which is the greater? 500 is the greater. So 503. Next, 369, 212. This is 300 is greater, so 369, then 212, and last one 60. Now next one, 51, 100, 810, 167. Obviously you will choose 800 is the biggest number, so 810 is the biggest number. Second biggest number is 51 is a 2-digit number, that doesn't come. 100 or 167? Yes, 167, then 100 and 51. Now 323, 303, 332, then 33. Which is the biggest number? Yes, we can find out easily there. This one, obviously all are, 3 of them are 3-digit number, one is 2-digit number. This one is the smallest number, so leave this one. Okay, now take this 323, 303 and 332. Which one is the biggest number? All are same hundreds only, that is 300, 300, 300. So take the tens place. 2, 20, 0, 30. Which one is the greater? 30. So 332. Next greater, 323, then 303, and finally this one 33. Now last one, 205, 210, 290 and 300. All the hundreds place 200, 200, 200, and here it's 300. So obviously this is the bigger number, 300. The next bigger number will be, we have to calculate that one, all as 200s. Now tens place, 0, 1, 9. Which is the greater number? 9. So 290. Now 0, 1. Which is greater? 1. So 210, then 205. This is what you have to arrange the descending order. Now form greatest and smallest numbers using the given digits without repetition of digits. Now here they have given the numbers. We have to form the greatest number and smallest number without repetition. That is, one number only should be there. Okay, we cannot write 5 2 times or 9 2 times or 0 2 times. Only 1 times, no repetition. Okay, shall we do this one? Yes. First one, 509. Now what is the greatest number? How to form a greatest number? among this 509. Now tell me which is the bigger number. Yes, 9. So write 9. Next, which is bigger number, 5 or 0? Yes, 5. Then last one is 0. So 950 is the greatest number. Okay. Now smallest number. Obviously we have 0. So we cannot put 0 first. So what you have to do? Which is the smallest number? 0. We cannot put that first. Which is the next smallest number? 5. Put 5. Then 0 is this 9. Smallest number. Or the smallest number can be 0 smaller, 5 smaller, 9. 59 or 5 not 9. Okay. Next one, 6, 3, 7. Which is the greatest number? Yes. Which is greater in this, 6, 3 or 7? Yes, 7. Next one, 6. Next one, 3. So the greatest number is 763. Now smallest number, which is the smallest number now? 3. Next 6. Next 7. 367 is the smallest number and 763 is the greatest number. Now 401, which is the greatest number? 4, then 1, then 0. So greatest number is 410. Now tell it in ascending order. 1, 0, 4 or 0, 1, 4. Have you understood? Yes. Now last one, 990. Which is the largest number? 9, 9, then 0. So 990 is the greatest number. Smallest number is 0, 9, 9 or 9 not 9. Dear students, have you understood how to form a greatest number and smallest number using the given digits? Yes, this is what we have to do when we are forming the greatest or smallest number. Now the next one is complete the following number sequence. Now the first number sequence are 111, 222, 333, 444. What sequence they are using? Yes, they are adding the same 111 to each. Now 444 plus 111 is 555. 555 plus 111 is 666, or otherwise you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7. Have you understood? 1, 2, 3, 4 they have given 111, 222, 333, 444. All the numbers, all the digits are same. Now after 4, 5, all the digits are same. 5 after 5, 6, 7. You can write like this also. Now the next one, 150, 155, 160, 165. 150 and 155 155 and then 160 and 160 and 165. What is the difference? All they are, the difference is 5. They are counting 5, 5, 5. Now 150 plus 5 is 155. 155 plus 5 is 160. 160 plus 5 is 165. Now 165 plus 5 is 170. 170 plus 5 is 175. 175 plus 5 is 180. Now next one, 210, 310, 410 and 510. Now see this sequence, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next tens and ones are same for all. The only change is hundreds place, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can write 6, 110, 710 and 810. Now see it carefully, 333, 433, 533 and 633. Here also the hundreds place only, it's different. The ones and tens place are equal, 33, 33, 33, 33. So 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6, 733. After 7, 833. After 8, 933. Have you understood, students? Good.
Thank you.